Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. In this video, I'm going to show you how I grabbed all of these products completely free and actually made money buying them over at Walgreens today. Y'all, this also includes a buy online, pick up in store, curbside offer. Before I get into the details, I would like to ask that you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also, don't forget that I'm currently hosting a $20 gift card giveaway. So if you have not watched the CVS video that I posted yesterday, you can find all of the details of the giveaway in that video. So make sure you check that out and get entered to win. The giveaway is specifically for my subscribers. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right, so the Walgreens ad started Sunday, December 6th and runs through Saturday, December 12th. Right now they are running a promotion where if you spend $25, they will give you $5 in Walgreens cash. If you spend $40, they'll give you $10 in Walgreens cash. And if you spend $100, they'll give you $30 in Walgreens cash. So you can find that promotion in their ad for this week. You can also clip it to your Walgreens card. So that's what I did. I clipped it just like a regular coupon to my Walgreens card. The first deal that I'm going to tell you about is a deal that I did online for a curbside pickup. I was trying to get to that $25 mark. That way I could get the $5 in Walgreens cash back. But because I paired it with another deal that's going on, I ended up making $3 on this transaction. So let me tell you the details. The first thing that I grabbed was this Nexus hair mask, and this is one of the little ones. It's 1.5 ounce. These are priced at $2.99, but I had a $3 off one digital coupon that applied to this product, so it took off $2.99, making it completely free. I then grabbed Gillette and Venus razors, and I did this because one, I had high dollar value coupons, and two, they are also on promotion for spend $20, get $10 in Walgreens cash. So I bought this Venus Sensitive Extra Smooth. This razor is priced at $12.99, but there's a $7 off digital that you can clip to your card, making it just $5.99. I then purchased this Gillette Fusion Pro Glide, the 2 cartridge pack, again priced at $12.99 with a $7 digital coupon, making it $5.99. So the total cost had me paying $11.98 after coupons, but I got $10 back for spending $20 in Gillette and Venus products, and I got $5 back for spending $25. So it made it a $3.02 moneymaker, and I did all of that on my computer at home, and then I just had to go to the store and pick it up. Another great deal was on this Neutrogena Hydro Boost. So this is the hydrating cleansing gel. It's priced at $8.99, but I had a coupon for $10 off. So check your coupons and see if you have a $10 off coupon for any Neutrogena Hydro Boost product. It said just for you, but I have noticed that a lot of people are getting that coupon. So again, it took $8.99 off, making it completely free. I also did this as a buy online, pick up in store. All right, so the transaction that I did in the store were these items here. Again, trying to get to that $25 mark. That way I can get the $5 in Walgreens cash back. So yes, that is an unlimited use. You can do it multiple times. So the first item that I grabbed were these Crest toothpaste. These are on promotion this week, 2 for $6. There is a $3 off digital coupon that you can clip to your card, and then you'll get $3 in register rewards back when you buy 2, making them completely free, and that $6 is counting towards our spend 25. So the next thing that I grabbed was more toothpaste. I grabbed 2 of the Colgate Max Fresh. These are priced at $2.99 each. You can use 2 of the 50-cent off coupons found in the 12-6 Retail Me Not. So you will pay $4.98 and you'll get a $5 register reward back, making them both completely free. The next thing that I grabbed, and I found these over in the travel section, so with the small shampoos and conditioners and deodorants, these Neutrogena makeup remover, they're 7-count packages. So these were 2 for $4, and I had a coupon for $3 off 2 any Neutrogena wipes, making these just $1 for both. And the last item that I grabbed were these Olay body washes, and I've purchased this before. They smell fantastic. This birch water and lavender, it makes our entire bathroom smell amazing. I really like this product. So they are 2 for $12, but when you buy 2, you're gonna get a $4 in Walgreens cash back. So 2 for $12, there is a $2 digital coupon that you can clip to your card. So you'll pay $10, but you will get $4 in Walgreens cash back. Okay, so the total for all of these items was $27.98 before coupons. I then paid $18.98 after coupons. I got the $3 in register rewards back for the Crest, the $5 in register rewards back for the Max Fresh, the $4 in Walgreens cash for buying the Olay, and the $5 in Walgreens cash for spending $25, making all of these items just $1.98 or 24 cents per item. So when I combine my $3 moneymaker with my $1.98 that I paid out of pocket for this, completely free plus, what is that, a little over $1 moneymaker. So fantastic deals over at Walgreens this week. So if you guys are finding other deals at Walgreens, please let me know down in the comments below. I know there are other deals that I haven't done yet. So definitely let me know if you see something that I should be on the lookout for. If you haven't stopped by my Instagram page, I am daily posting deals there. It is instagram.com/savewithchristina. I'm also posting deals over on my Facebook page, which is facebook.com/savingwithchristina. I would love it if you guys stopped by and checked me out there. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.